Hello, I'm Mike Bunker from Discount Golf Cars of Arizona. We specialize in E-Z-GO RXV golf cars. We buy them by the fleet and we rebuild them. And we rebuild them from the floor up. And we have decided, after 34 years of experience in the golf car business, right now we want that Trojan lithium battery in our golf cars. What we do and specialize in is we buy fleets of E-Z-GO RXVs off the golf courses only in the northern United States. We have our own warranties, we stand behind them, and that it's imperative that we only use the best of the best. If there's something better, we want that for it. In one particular week, we bought a fleet of golf cars out of Washington State, 50 miles from the Canadian border, in Trump National in Westchester, New York. So our effort is to get the best of the best while we're doing it. Trojan came over and approached us with starting to handle their lithium battery. We order hundreds at a time, and we have found that our luck and success in our relationship with them is tremendous. They're always there to answer the phone, always there with an answer, if not immediately, within minutes, if not later in the day. We couldn't be happier. We take our golf cars down to this level. We put most everything new in with the exception of the motor and the controller. We then use the 105 amp hour Trojan lithium battery. The customer picks their color of the body, the pinstripes, as pinstripes are hand painted. They pick their custom 14-inch wheels. Our carts go 33 miles an hour. We use a very special tire that's got a soft sidewall, so they act more of an airbag than they do the bias ply. It's the safest ride that we've ever found out there in a golf cart. With our purchase of the Trojan battery, we get the new charger specifically for this battery. We get the gauge with a lighted digital readout. So we start with this and we move over here, and the customer picks the color of the body. The pinstripes are hand painted, so the customer chooses that. We always want the seat on the cart, so these colors match the pinstripe exactly. Our pinstriper is hand painted. He does not have a bottle of red, a bottle of blue, a bottle of silver. He mixes it up on a board and then gets that exact color. We top it off with the Trojan 105 amp hour lithium battery. It's the cleanest look there is. We always use an off-board charger. The onboard charger is putting a charger in a hot box, and we don't want that. The charger will get warm. We want it getting warm away from the battery. Anything we can do to save and prolong the life of the battery, we want to. You can see how absolutely clean it is.